Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick guess what's in the box video. This box is from Olsa Tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So this is going to be a quick guess what's in the box video. I'm just going to take measurements of it. It is from Olsa Tools. So this box is 12 inches and 1/4 an inch wide by 16 inches and 1/8 of an inch long. And it is 5 inches and 1/2 of an inch deep. I don't know if this might be only one item from them. Supposed to get a couple items. But what are your guys' guesses? What do you think is in this box? I'm pretty sure what's in this box is not as big as this box. I'm thinking that it's probably maybe that big. Probably as tall as the box. Maybe not as tall. It might be about an inch or so, 2 inches less than the box. I do know it's bigger. It's not as big as the box, but you know, everybody packages things twice as big for whatever reason. But just a quick video. What do you guys think's in the box? I do appreciate you guys stopping by the channel, checking out the videos. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below, I do have an Olsa Tools link for things like whatever's in this box. If you guys use that link, you guys can get 10% off your order at olsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order with them. So it helps me bring stuff like this to the channel. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you guys on the next video, and I look forward to seeing what you guys' guesses are, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!